Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to the online class. Hope you are well and stay at home. You know that the whole world has been infected with deadly virus corona. In this situation, the government has taken a decision to close down all the institutions. But the teachers of many institutions are closely eager to bring your classroom into your home. In this connection, this is Moloy Choudhury, lecturer in English, Salampur Aminia Fazil Madrasa, has come to join with you taking English second paper. Our today's topic is right form of verbs. This is my second class. This topic is not only important in any particular class, this is very effective rest other classes. At the end of the lesson, the students will learn various important rules of right form of verbs and make exercise. Now let's start. Rule number 6. Past indefinite. Time expression words or phrases such as yesterday, ago, long ago, long since, once, one day, once upon a time, last night, week, last month, before. Dear students, you know that your question paper is set either present tense or past tense. So this rule is very important because here I write down our past indefinite tense and time expression words or phrases are seen in number 6 rules. অর্থাৎ এখানে আমি past indefinite একটা রুল রেখেছি যেখানে টাইম এক্সপ্রেশন ওয়ার্ডস অথবা শব্দগুচ্ছ দেখানো হয়েছে যে সমস্ত বাক্যে yesterday, ago, long since, once, one day, once upon a time, last night, week, last month, before ইত্যাদি ফ্রেজ অথবা টাইম এক্সপ্রেশন শব্দ যদি থাকে তাহলে বাক্যটি past indefinite tense হবে। Now here I give you an example. My brother yesterday. Here I give an example. My brother go to Dhaka yesterday. Now the answer is my brother went to Dhaka yesterday. This sentence is written in past indefinite or simple past tense because here we find a time expression word that means yesterday. So it is a simple past tense and the verb is past form of verb go. Here is went. Another example, he write me last night. He not write me last night. Here a negative form of a sentence and I put a negative form not. The answer will be he did not write me last night. In this sentence, a time expression word is last night and a negative form not is given. So the sentence is negative form of simple past tense. In simple past tense, the structure of negative form subject plus did not plus present form of verb. He did not write. In the past tense, the verb is past form of verb, but in the case of did not, we write in the present form. Number 6. Number 7. Since as conjunction. Here I give 2 points. Since. Since is used here conjunction. Since related to clauses. That means first clause and second clause. If first clause is present indefinite or perfect, then second clause is past indefinite. Another rules, if before the since is past indefinite, then after since will be past perfect. Here I give an example. 5 years have passed since I meet him. 7 নম্বর রুলে আমি দুটো পয়েন্ট রেখেছি, সিন যুক্ত দুটো বাক্যাংশ যদি সিনচের পূর্বে প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট অথবা পারফেক্ট হয়, পরেরটি পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট হবে। এন্ড অ্যানাদার রুলে সিনচের পূর্বে পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট হলে পরে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট হবে। 5 years have passed since I met him. এখানে উত্তরটি হবে 5 years have passed since I met him. Met past form of meet. Now rule 8. While বাংলা meaning যখন, while related any sentence if are set in a question paper, then after while past continuous. Then subject V2 plus extension. Or while plus V1 ing plus extension plus subject plus verb plus extension. If any sentence you will find while, then after while you will write past continuous. Past continuous structure subject plus was or were plus beyond plus ing. Here I give an example. While I go to a garden, a snake bit me. Here the answer will be while I was going to a garden, a snake bit me. যেহেতু এখানে while ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে, আমরা জানি কোন বাক্যে while থাকলে while এর পরে বাক্যাংশটি অবশ্যই past continuous এ হবে। এখানে I এর পরে was হয়েছে, ফার্স্ট পারসন I এবং থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলারের পরে was হয়, and rest other persons you will mark were. অর্থাৎ তোমরা ফার্স্ট পারসন আই এবং থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার পরে was ব্যবহার করবে, বাকি সব জায়গায় were ব্যবহার করবে, এবং এখানে ভার্বটি এরপর আইএনজি যুক্ত হয়েছে। Our next rule, our next rule 9. In the number of 9, I will give two another points. Here I write before and in the second sentence I will write after. Two actions or verbs if we find in any sentence and at the middle of the sentence before, then the first portion of the sentence is past perfect and the other portion of the sentence is simple past. And in another rules, after is middle in the sentence, before the after you will find simple past or later part of a sentence past perfect. Here I give an example. The patient died before the doctor came. Another example, the patient died after the doctor came. Here I will give two examples. My first example is the patient died before the doctor came. We know that if any sentence you find before at the middle of the sentence, the first portion of this sentence is past perfect and the last portion of the sentence is simple past or past indefinite. Before এর আগে past perfect হলে পরে simple past বা past indefinite হবে, after এর পূর্বে simple past অথবা past indefinite হলে পরে past perfect হবে। সেক্ষেত্রে আমাদের উদাহরণটি হবে the patient died before the doctor came. Before এর পরে past indefinite হয়েছে, সুতরাং এখানে past perfect এর স্ট্রাকচার হচ্ছে সাবজেক্ট প্লাস হেড প্লাস past participle of verb. সো before এর আগে সেন্টেন্সটি যেহেতু past perfect, এখানে আমরা ব্যবহার করব স্ট্রাকচার অনুযায়ী had died. The answer will be the patient had died before the doctor came. Now, our second example, the patient died after the doctor came. Sorry, died. The patient died after the doctor came. যেহেতু আমরা জানি আফটার এর পূর্বে সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্স হয়েছে, সুতরাং এখানে হবে আফটার এর পরে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট। The patient died after the doctor had Our next rule, our final rule, number 10. It is time, high time, proper time, right time, wish fancy. We will find in any sentence, then the structure will be it is high time plus simple past. That means subject plus be2 plus extension. অর্থাৎ কোন বাক্যে it is time, high time, proper time, right time, wish fancy থাকে, তাহলে পরবর্তী অংশ আমরা simple past tense হিসেবে ব্যবহার করব। Now I give an example. It is high time we change our food habits. Here we find it is high time we change our food habits, and after it is high time we write down the words be2 changed, because in this sentence I write it is high time, so this sentence will be we changed our habits. এখানে আমি past form লিখেছি changed. Now dear students, I write down 10 important rules of right form of verbs. At the end of the lesson, I want to say you that if unintentionally I can make any mistakes, then you can give your opinion or feedback, because no research is behind of any mistake. So please give me your comments and share with your friends my lecture. Thank you. See you my next class.